This video discusses the use of the requirements.txt. This is a file that contains a list of packages installed in a virtual environment. Let's look at an example. In this folder, I created a virtual environment called env, which I activate using the command line. If you have not used virtual environments in Python, I recommend that you watch my previous video first. It all runs perfectly fine. This script extracts data from Reddit, which I covered in a recent video. You might be tempted to send your Python script to a friend together with your virtual environment. In general, moving a virtual environment is not easy to do, and it's not guaranteed to work. I strongly suggest creating a requirements.txt. So how can we do that? Well, you use pip freeze requirements as follows in your command line. When we move back to the folder, we now obtain a list of installed packages. We also see the versions of various packages, which is important to ensure consistency. Next, we deactivate the current environment and create a new environment. I just call this new environment new. So now you see this new folder emerging. Finally, we install all required packages using the requirements.txt as follows. First, we have to activate our new environment using scripts activate. We install the requirements as follows: pip install -r requirements.txt. Finally, we run the script again with our new environment and it seems to work all fine. Great, I see you in the next one.